On September 2nd, Unity announced a change in its business model. One of the main innovations was the commission that the company planned to charge from partners after a certain number of installations of their games had been exceeded. After that, developers massively criticized Unity and promised to abandon its engine in the near future. Some mobile game authors also disabled Unity's monetization solutions in protest. On September 18th, the company said it would make changes to its new business model and promised to share details in a few days. Starting January 1, 2024, Unity will start charging a commission for every installation and reinstallation of a tittle over the limit. Many developers have criticized such a business model as it makes it very risky to use Unity. Once this threshold is exceeded, developers will have to pay for each installation and reinstallation of the game. The commission will range from $0.005 to $0.2. Thus, it becomes theoretically possible that developers will owe Unity more money than they will earn from the game itself. For example, if a conditionally free game brings developers to $100,000, but is installed or reinstalled 5 million times, developers with personal and plus tariffs will lose $60,000. They will pay Unity $260,000 for 1.3 million installations over the limit. In comments on the post, developers and regular users again called on the company to abandon the changes altogether. They were also surprised it took Unity a few days to compose such a short response. The news of the upcoming commission expectedly sparked a wave of outrage and calls for a boycott from developers. At one point, Unity even had to close offices due to death threats, which later turned out to have been made by a local employee. "We heard you. We apologize for the confusion and concern that the recent runtime fee announcement caused. We're hearing everything and discussing the situation with team members, the community, and partners. We will make policy changes and release an update in a few days. Thank you for your honest reaction and criticism."